Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's class. Let's start the day's class with the thought: give even though you have little. In the last class, we have discussed the human digestive system, drawing and labeling from mouth to anus, the last part, with the various digestive glands of salivary gland, liver, gastric glands in stomach, pancreas, then intestinal glands. Today we will be discussing the brief of the schematic table of the digestive glands and the process of digestion with a special reference to the secretions of the digestive glands. Okay. First of all, the digestion in mouth is called buccal digestion, facilitated by saliva, which converts starch into glucose. The physical process in mouth is called chewing. Then the food material is passed into the stomach by peristaltic movement of esophagus. On reaching the stomach, the gastric gland secrete gastric juice, which contains hydrochloric acid, mucus, and renin and pepsin, the protein digesting enzymes. The role of HCl is to provide an acidic medium and kill the bacteria. It also activates the inactive form of renin and pepsin, that is prorenin into renin and pepsinogen into pepsin. These protein digesting enzymes are specialized in digesting milk protein into amino acids. So the physical process happening in stomach is called churning, and the stomach is having the special kind of muscles called pyloric sphincter, which will control the movement, and the food enters into the next part of duodenum, where again the liver and pancreas will be secreting the bile juice and pancreatic juice through a common duct called hepatopancreatic duct, which will be opening into the duodenal region. So the bile secrete bile juice, which contain no enzymes. Main function is emulsification, which converts the big fat molecules into tiny fat globules for facilitating the fat digestion. The starch in the alimentary canal, that is in the duodenal region, is digested by pancreatic amylase from pancreatic juice. Similarly, pancreatic lipase facilitate the emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and the pancreatic protease trypsin and chymotrypsin, which will be facilitating the protein digestion into amino acids. Okay. From there, the intestinal gland secrete intestinal juice, which contain intestinal protease and lipase. Again, they convert the proteins into amino acid and lipids into fatty acid and glycerol respectively, thus completing the digestion process completely. So from the small intestine, it enters to the large intestine, where the water absorption takes place and the undigested food is adjusted out through anus. So this is the brief of the digestion happening in human beings. Okay. Hope this will help you in the long run. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.